Hello, welcome back. I wanted to kick off the holiday season and share with you 3 beautiful hairstyles you can easily recreate for any upcoming work parties, date nights, or special events that you have coming up. All right, let's get started. When I think holiday parties, I think voluminous, glamorous Hollywood waves. And to help with all that volume, today's video is sponsored by Lexi Hair. They've been my go-to for hair extensions for a decade. They are just the best quality. I'll be incorporating my 20-inch seamless extensions in beige blonde. Just look at that dimension. Also, I'll be sharing sneak peeks from their new holiday giftables collection. And Lexi's having a holiday sale now until November 28th. I will leave all the details in the description along with links to everything I use. Begin by sectioning off your hair just below your ears, and if you're wearing extensions, start with your 3-clip weft. Now, I don't wear extensions every day, but I love to add them for special occasions. Now, if you want long-lasting curls, lightly spray your section with hairspray and then brush it through. Now work in 2-inch sections and wrap all the hair away from your face. This will create a nice S-bend in the end. Now, the key for glam curls is hold your barrel horizontal as you wrap and hold for at least 5 seconds. Then release, catching your curl, and let it cool and set. But it can be very hot, so I love to use these creaseless clips from Lexi Hair. They're nice and gentle on the hair, and they're cute. And to curl, I'm using my favorite 1-inch curling iron from Lexi Hair. I love this one because of how long the barrel is. It's a game changer for long hair, but you want to use a 1 to a 1 1/4 inch barrel. Once your bottom section is curled, you can unclip those curls and they've set into the perfect ringlets. Next, section off your hair above your ears and clip in 1 4-clip weft. And then same as below, curl all this hair away from your face. Next section is at temple height, and here clip in another 4-clip weft. Now, before curling the top, create your part and use the end of a comb to trace from the arch of your eyebrow back. A deep side part is classic for Hollywood waves. For mega volume, you can add volumizing powder throughout your crown before gently teasing your roots on both sides of your part. And be sure to tease more than you think. This will create the most beautiful volume. Then continue to curl, but start the curl at temple height, no higher. And for your front section, curl it away from your face, and if you've been skipping pinning, just don't skip pinning this one. Time for the transformation. Start at the bottom and begin gently brushing out your curls in long, slow brush strokes. Because we sprayed and set our curls, they won't lose their shape. And you want to brush until all of your curls are broken up and the hair is laying in an S shape. And you can see what a difference this step makes. Now continue on the other side and then use your comb and some hairspray to smooth back your side section and toss it behind your shoulder. And I always finish with oil. This is the Lexi Luminous Shine hair oil from their holiday advent calendar. It smells delicious, like vanilla, and this just tames all that frizz and adds a gorgeous shine. And your holiday party ready. This hairstyle makes me feel so beautiful, and I hope it does the same for you. It's so timeless and chic. Next is a beautiful bouncy blowout with velcro rollers. Now, Lexi's velcro rollers are my favorite because you get 18 in a pack and in 3 different sizes. You have large ones for volume and smaller ones for curl. It's easiest to start at the top, working in a mohawk shape. So start at the front, and you want your section no wider than your roller's width. Next, brush that front section forward and down, and once free of knots, you want to heat the hair. So use a straightener, round brush, air wrap. I'll be using a curling iron. And then curl that front section away from your face and hold just for like 5 seconds. Then work quick. Place your large Velcro roller on the top. Slide it down to your ends, keeping it taut, and then wrap it back up your section, using your thumbs to keep the hair in line. A neat roll makes them easy to remove. And make sure you pulled your section forward so that your Velcro roller sits on top of your section, not behind it. This gives your root a nice lift. And if you need to, use one of the clips to hold it in place. And then continue working in a mohawk pattern until you've reached your crown. And why use rollers? They not only help your style last longer, but they create a looser curl than a curling iron. It's more bouncy with lots of volume at the roots, so they're especially great if your hair doesn't hold volume. For the top side section, curl it away from your face and place your roller on top of your section. For the lower side section, curl it towards your face, placing the roller underneath your section. I love to alternate the curls. It creates so much volume. And for your lower sections, just curl them away from your face and place a large roller underneath. Now repeat the exact same steps on both sides and then lightly mist with some hairspray and let set for at least 15 minutes. Now to remove, start at the bottom, unclip and gently unroll. And once you feel tension, tightly twist your roller in the direction that you want your curl to go. And then pull it out at the ends and they should come out nice and easy. So gently unroll, twist out, and pull. It's actually kind of fun once you start going. Once out, flip your head upside down and shake out your hair and use only my fingers to brush out the curls. Now I like to stop just before it's the perfect blowout so that the style lasts longer. And then as the day goes on, it transforms into this gorgeous blowout. Now for a more festive look, you can accessorize with a headband like this beautiful one from Lexi's Holiday Advent Calendar. Now this has to be my favorite all-time hairstyle. It just looks so full, voluminous, and healthy. I love this next hairstyle. It's the easiest for the holidays and it's straight and sparkly. Now, have you jumped on the tinsel hair trend yet? It's so fun and Lexi Hair just released 5 tinsel colors. I really love the look of the gold. It's subtle, but how perfect does this pink shade match my dress? Completely coincidental. Now, they're so easy to clip in. You just section off your hair about an inch below your part and then begin clipping them in. I alternated silver, then pink, and you just want to repeat this all the way around your part. I also added a few just behind my ears to peek through on those lower layers. Now, once you brush your part back down, it should cover the clips and you'll have your tinsel perfectly peeking through. Okay, I love this look. It's such an easy and fun way to switch up your hairstyle for the holidays. So there we have it. I really hope that you liked today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to let me know which of these hairstyles was your favorite. I truly can't decide this time. I love them all. But thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.